What's up guys? I want to unbox the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus. You can get these right now. They are newly released. Let's check these bad boys out. I like how they look on the box. Okay.
We rocking with the matte black finish.
Let's see what's in here. Okay, you got some stickers. User guide, Type C, so that's the USB Type C port. I'm guessing these are the ear cups, ear tips I should say.
These bad boys are transparent, which is different, and they come in your typical 3 different sizes.
Ooh. These are about the same size as the AirPod Pros. Oh, this is nice. That's a nice touch.
They definitely did a great job with the packaging on these bad boys. Just the simple things is making this a very pleasant unboxing experience. These actually feel a little bit lighter than the AirPod Pros, and they're more grippy. They're not as slippery as the AirPods. It'd be harder to drop these, I feel like.
Let's compare the size of the case. If I can get this tape off. Okay. So about the same size as the AirPod Pros. Look at the inside. Now I love my AirPod Pros, but I like that these are a different color other than white. I like that a lot. Shoot, my ears get pretty dirty at work, working in a warehouse. So I can imagine the earwax is not going to look as bad on these. It's about the same color as your earwax. I like this a lot. It feels super duper premium.
Now let's get down to business. The SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro fit really snug in your ear. I've had 0 issues. The audio is very rich. It's super bass heavy, kind of like the Beats, just like that vintage Beats by Dre type punch with the bass. And watching movies and music sounds really good. There's also some presets when you download the app that you can even add more bass to these bad boys. And speaking of downloading the app, that will give you access to noise reduction, transparency mode, and me being a mobile gamer, I like the fact that they have a gaming mode. And one thing that I really like as well is you can customize the touch controls. You can use them to answer phone calls, reject phone calls, pause and play music and things like that. One standout feature of these bad boys for me is there's an AI voice that tells you what you're doing. You don't have to guess like other earbuds. Even when you connect it, it says connected. Or if you go to gaming mode, it says. If you go to transparency mode, it says transparency mode. You don't have to do the touch controls and guess. It tells you exactly what you're doing, and I like that a lot. Now let's talk about the battery. The battery is the typical on earbuds. You got 43 hours total playing time, and that's being in and out of the case. On a single charge, they last for about 6.5 hours. So that's the usual, between 4 to 6 hours on wireless earbuds. Nothing crazy there, but it works well. All right, so we are testing out the microphone of the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro Plus. I'm walking on some rocks so you can have a little bit of background noise and you can hear how it isolates my voice from the background noise. Now, obviously, you're going to be able to hear the rocks a little bit, but the microphone sounds really good. In conclusion, I highly recommend these bad boys. You can't beat it for the price point. You got some similar touch controls that you got with the AirPod Pros, and those are $200. These are only $58 with the 35% off discount that I have below. Also got the Amazon link for you in the description. You can't beat it. The quality feels good. It feels premium. It feels just as good as any other earbuds out there. The bass is crazy. That's the standout feature. And the AI voice telling you what settings you in. I really like that a lot. But that's all I got for y'all, man. Go pick these up. I'm out.